let's talk about carbon fiber. Please welcome Andrew Maxey, who is the president of Vartega. Please welcome Andrew.
Thank you, Shauna. I appreciate that. This is my first time to Hawaii, but I understand that Honolulu has traffic problems just like major metropolitan areas throughout the mainland. And certainly if you've been stuck in the Pearl Jam, you would love to catch some of that time back. Here's a video that went viral recently of a Tesla Model S owner who was doing just that by taking a short nap in his car. And though that's not recommended, we know that transportation technology is changing. We know that Google is working on their self-driving car. Tesla, with their Model 3, will have additional self-driving capability. And BMW is working on a vehicle called the iNext, which will be a fully composite electric vehicle with additional autonomous capability. Mary Barra, the CEO of GM, has been quoted as saying, "I believe the auto industry will change more in the next 5 to 10 years than it has in the last 50. It's no longer science fiction to think that we could even have self-flying cars or tube travel." If you don't believe me, take a look at this recent headline of what Larry Page is doing with just that, self-flying cars. You may also be familiar with what SpaceX is doing in regards to the Hyperloop, which is high-speed transportation from San Francisco to Los Angeles. Now, these transportation technology changes aren't happening without advanced materials. And the material we're focused on is carbon fiber. Carbon fiber starts out as a filament, it's wound onto spools, and is woven into fabrics. When those fabrics are impregnated with plastic, it's what's called prepreg. When this prepreg is cured, it forms a solid composite. Now, these materials are strong and lightweight and used in automotive and aerospace applications, but they're extremely difficult to recycle because they don't melt down like aluminum or steel. At Vartega, we've developed a chemistry-based recycling process that allows us to free the carbon fiber filament from prepreg. By doing so, we save 90 to 95% of the energy versus manufacturing virgin carbon fiber. This translates into 40 to 50% less expensive raw material than virgin carbon fiber. The reasoning behind this need for recycling is because carbon fiber is expensive to produce, it has high scrap rates, and that means about 15,000 metric tons of material end up in landfill, or even worse, are incinerated every year. This results in $630 million worth of lost value in the material. We take our recycled carbon fiber and we can incorporate it into intermediate materials like 3D printing filaments or non-woven fabrics. These materials are extremely important for lightweighting applications. This BMW is a great example of what can be done with vehicle lightweighting to improve fuel economy and reduce emissions. In fact, for 10% weight savings of a vehicle, we can save 6 to 7% fuel efficiency. I want to leave you with a closing thought that we can reduce our carbon footprint by increasing our carbon fiber footprint. Thank you very much.